I'm stuck to the cactus!
I also got stuck in a cactus!
It's burning! I'm burning away!
Oh! Avery, no! No, shit! Hold on, your cure-all. Feed him the cure-all.
Oh, I'm back.
I am covered in cactus. There's yours. Your thing's up here, Avery. Wait, this one's mine. What am I saying? You good? Avery, no! Oh, no, 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 Avery! Oh, no! He got swept up in it! Oh! And the cure-all doesn't get rid of the freaking cacti!
Adam, I'm over here! I'm stuck to the cactus!
Where? Which cactus?
No, it's too late for me.
Well, I can't remove my cactus! Like, how do I remove it? I just